You built a real store with real products people want, but every day your inbox fills with the same question. Where is my order? You or someone you pay answers it by hand over and over, while real problems wait. Industry support teams report that order status questions make up a large share of all tickets. In this video, I'll show you how I build an AI support agent that answers those instantly and drafts the harder replies so a human just approves and sends. The first step is the one people skip and then wonder why their bot is useless. Connect the agent to live data. It needs read access to your order records and your carrier tracking, so when someone asks where their order is, it pulls the real status by order number or email and answers with facts. A generic chatbot that only knows your FAQ will frustrate people more than silence. Give it the order data first, and a single question that used to take 3 minutes of a human becomes an instant, accurate reply. Now, automate the big one. When a buyer asks about their order, the agent verifies who they are with an order number or the email on file, then returns the live status, the expected delivery date, and a tracking link in seconds, day or night. Done well, this kind of agent deflects roughly 40 to 60% of routine tickets without a human touching them. That is time you get back, and a buyer who got an answer at 11 at night instead of waiting until morning. Speed of reply is itself a conversion lever for repeat buyers. For the messages that need judgment, returns, exchanges, an angry buyer, the agent should not send on its own. Instead, it drafts a reply in your voice and puts it in front of you to approve, edit, or reject. You stay in control of anything sensitive, and you still save the minutes it takes to write from scratch. Feed it your tone and your policies in a clear prompt so every draft sounds like you, not like a robot. Approve and send becomes the whole job, and your reply time drops from hours to minutes. Guardrails are what separate a helpful agent from a liability. Write down what it must never do, like promising a refund, inventing a policy, or guessing at stock. When a request crosses that line, it hands off to a human cleanly, with the full conversation attached so nobody repeats themselves. Log every chat so you can review what it got wrong and tighten the rules each week. An agent without guardrails will eventually promise something you cannot honor, and that one bad reply costs more than the whole build saved you. Finally, measure it like a real channel. Track how many tickets the agent fully resolves, your deflection rate, and how fast first responses go out. Watch the satisfaction score on chats it handled, because deflection at the cost of angry buyers is no win. Each week, read the conversations it fumbled and fix the gap. A missing answer, an unclear policy, a tone that felt cold. A support agent is not a set and forget tool. The ones that work get a little smarter every week because someone bothered to tune them. Here's where to begin. Connect your order and tracking data first, then automate the "where is my order" reply before you touch anything fancier. That one flow buys back the most time. If you want me to map exactly where your support time drains away, I run a 72-hour audit for $497 and hand you the plan. If you want the agent built and connected for you, I do that in a 14-day sprint that starts at $3,500. Subscribe because next week I take a real store and fix it start to finish.